Grand General supplies a number of high-quality hood ornaments. Here we feature our new illuminated WindRider series, and today I'm going to show you how to replace and install a new set of wings. For removal, simply remove screw from body and detach wings from ornament. For installation, leave light bulb slightly sticking out of body. Insert screw into the body and through the hole of the light bulb base. Insert square nut into base of the wing. Using your other hand, hold both wings together while maintaining wings and nut in a steady position. Carefully slide wings over light bulb and insert into body of ornament until wings reach the bottom. Keep applying a slight pressure to the top of the wings while you locate the screw. Then tighten with screwdriver. For more information, please visit us at grandgeneral.com.